A number is less than 7. I think that's one of our more simpler ones. Okay. Logan, where do we put that one?
Number 1.
A number is less than 7.
Number 2.
We're going to put this in box 2. So you should have... You know what?
It's already on the floor.
All right. There we go. So there's one. I will wait. Okay. Let's talk about... So I'm going to X this one out. We've done this one. Okay. Let's talk about a number is below 7. This one right here. A number is below 7. Okay, that was going to call out. Okay, so box 1, 2, 3, or 4.
3.
4.
Why don't we just jump into the middle? It's 2.
It should be in box 2. Okay. Okay, next one.
Miss. Can I go to Miss Nixon's office to the fidget?
Hey, buddy, go get a fidget, but do not interrupt me. A number is above 7. Mason, where does that one go? A number is above 7. That one goes in box 1. Okay, so we all have those. All right, now, how about this one? A number is greater than or equal to 7. Chadence, where does that one go? What'd you say? In box 3. Okay, good. All right, now the other ones are a little different, right? Okay, so let's start with this one. A number is at least 7. A number is at least 7. Taylor, where do you think that one goes?
I think it's 3.
Okay.
I still don't get how it's like.
Because it's like it can be greater than 7 or it can be 7.
I thought at least we wanted less.
No, but at its lowest point, it's 7.
So at least means it can be 7, but at the very least. So that's the smallest number it can be. Taylor, I really like that explanation. Good job. Okay, so if yours is not there, move it there. Okay, now let's go to is at least. Let's do this one.
At most?
A number is at most. So Marius, based on what we just talked about with Taylor, a number is at most 7. Where is that going to go?
4.
Okay, at most means 7 is the biggest it can be. Okay, so with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that we've done, make sure you have them in the right spots. All right, a number is at maximum 7. Andrew, where did you guys put that one?
Maximum 7. Number 4.
Maximum 7. Can you tell us why you put it at number 4?
The max it can go 7, but all the numbers below.
Okay, it can be 7, but that's the biggest it can be, and it needs to include all of the numbers below. All right, I like that. Okay, so let's talk about a number is at minimum 7. Okay, Logan, where would that go? Okay, if a number is at maximum, there we go. Okay. Ella, can you tell us why a number is at minimum 7 goes in this box? Okay, the smallest it can be is 7, and then it's going to get bigger than that. Okay, 2 more. A number is no more than. It is no more than.
Wait, what?
A number is no more than. Where does that one go?
No more than. That's like 4.
No.
No.
Yeah, you're right.
No, it's 4. It's 4, 2.
Yeah, you're right.
Can it be 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it can't be more than. It can be 7, but it can't be more than. So it's 7 or smaller. Okay? Which means no less than needs to go in what box?
Number 1. No, it's number 3.
Number 3.
Needs to go in number 3.
Why'd you say number 3?
Okay, can you please make sure that your orange card matches mine right here? Okay, so then what you are going to do, can you please turn, keeping that in between you and your partner, please turn to page 4.
I may have undid it all.
That wasn't the instruction. I said make sure yours matches mine. Okay, so what we're going to do on page 4. Okay,
Yeah. It's out. It's out. Hey, guys, stop talking. I got some wood for you.
okay, fill in these 4 inequality signs.
Number 4?
This is page 4. Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to take our orange chart and we're going to copy down the words for each of them. Okay? So this one that says less than, okay, in our chart, okay, so this is our box number 2. So in box number 2, we have less than, and we have the word below.
Oh, I forgot to ask you how's your day going.
It is going great. How is yours? Same time it is every day. Okay?
22.
The less than or equal to is what we have in box 4. So let's write down all of the words
20 minutes left, guys.
that are in box 4. So less than or equal to, we have the phrase at most. We have the phrase maximum.
No more than.
And no more than. If you are not writing these down, you are not meeting my expectations. Okay, I don't mind you having a fidget, but it can't be a distraction to other people.
No, it's it.
No,
It's all the way by Logan's foot.
you're playing with it across the table.
No, I fell down there. She asked her to get it.
And then I rolled it.
Okay, greater than. That was in box 1, correct? In box 1, we have above. Okay. And then box 3 is the box that goes with greater than or equal to. So we have, okay, we have minimum, at least, and no less than. Okay, don't graph them, but what I'd like you to do next is based on the work we did with our orange sheet that is still in front of you, put the scissors away, please, and clean up this mess. Okay, what I would like you to do is on page 4, can you please write down the inequality that you think should match these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work together with your elbow partner. Use the orange to help you. Use the notes we just wrote to help you. But I'm going to give you about 2 minutes. Write down the inequalities you think are true. Ready, set, go. What? A number is less than 4. So you're going to have like x is an inequality and 4. So what inequality goes between x and 4?
This one.
Okay, so instead of the circle, yeah, just like that.
Do I have to graph it on the number line?
I said don't graph it, just write it. Okay. So you're trying to figure out which one of the 4 inequality signs goes between x or whatever variable you want and the number. Okay. For what?
I drink a lot of water.
Is okay. Why did you graph this on 40? Oh, you wrote 7, but it's really 40.
Oops. I was looking at this for.
Okay, no, that's fine. All right. For number 1, Carter, what sign goes here? Oh, that's nice and straightforward. Scissors away, please. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick, okay, here's 3, 4, 5 that I'm going to label. Andrew, if we're going to graph this, do we have an open or closed circle at 4? We have an open circle at 4. And if we're less than, then we need to get smaller. Okay. Okay. Kira. For number 2, a number is greater than or equal to negative 18. Do they pretty much just tell you what to write? A number is greater than or equal to negative 18. So I have negative 19, negative 18, negative 17. That all right there, that'll be good enough for me. Jackson, do we have an open or closed circle? We have a closed circle. Good. Okay. And if we are greater than, I want numbers bigger, so we're going to go to the right where my numbers are bigger. Okay. A number is at least negative 2. Izzy, what sign are we going to put there? Okay, so which one is that? Can you just put? Oh, okay. So Izzy put this sign right here, greater than or equal to. Do you agree with Izzy's greater than or equal to for number 3?
Yes.
Wait,
Yes.
wait, what? Oh, number 3, yeah.
Okay, at least means we're negative 2 or bigger. Okay, so on our graph, we'll go ahead and graph it together. We're going to have a closed circle, and are we going to go right or left?
Right.
Left, right. Sorry.
Taylor, do you agree with right, or are you just agreeing because it's Marius. You have it on your paper. Okay. Charles, can you write this with us, please? Okay. X is no more than 9. Mia, what do you have for X is no more than 9?
Stop.
Which way is the alligator? Which way is it? Okay, less than or equal to. Do you agree with me as less than or equal to?
I agree.
Okay. At no more than, it can be 9, but it can't be more than. So we got to be less. So here at 8, 9, 10, I'm going to put a closed circle at 9. Which way do we got to shade, Mason? Which way do we got to shade? If it's less than or equal to.
Whatever that was.
It needs to go left. Very good, Mason. Thank you for that. All right. That's okay. All right. And then, Jared, what do you feel about number 5? What inequality sign do we need? At most, the most it can be is 40. So 39, 40, 41. We're going to have a closed circle at 40 and shade to the left. Okay. All right. Now, if we go to page 5, I'm not going to make us rewrite all of this, okay? I will just, in case you need it, do this, okay? Here we have situations that, like, are in the real life context, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I want you to write T, and I want you to write 50. The temperature today will be at least 50. The temperature tomorrow will be above 70. So I'm going to write T, and I'm going to write 70. It rained less than 2 inches yesterday. R for rain and 2 inches. It rained at least 3 inches last week. I'm going to have you write an R and a 3. I need to earn at least $100 this week. So I'm going to put E for earn and a 100. Students need a 60% to earn a passing grade. So I'm going to put passing and 60. I'm going to give you a moment for you and your elbow partner to figure out what inequality sign needs to go in between the variable and the number. Okay, talk together. Talk together. Okay. At most 50. So which one is at most? Where do you see at most on here? Okay, so then put that sign right here. Can I have that marker, please? Judy, thank you. Hey, come here. I need you to do this.
No, I'm not married.
Okay, Judy, you can do it now, or we can do it after school. Which one would you prefer? Okay, well, it's your own choice. So if you're not going to do it now, then we'll just go after school and we can do it after school.
I'll find you any day.
Okay, then let's do it now. Okay, you pointed at this. Can I have you write it down here?
Why are you talking?
Saying what? What am I saying all over?
Here, why are you so mean? I know you're not that. The only person I'm mean to is you. Exactly. And those are the mean.
Let's not be mean to anybody.
Hey guys. You're up, Marius.
Okay. Hey, Riley, why didn't you write any of this down with us?
My pencil broke.
Did it break or did you break it?
No, it broke. But I swear.
Because you were cutting it.
No, I didn't cut it.
Okay. All right. I don't want to graph these. I just want to talk about the inequalities. Is that okay? Okay. Taylor, what inequality sign do we need to put here? Okay. At most. At most means less than or equal to. The temperature tomorrow will be above 70. Carter, what inequality sign do we need for this red one? Greater than, above 70. Great. It rained less than 2 inches yesterday. Kelly, what do you think about this one?
You got this, Kelly.
What sign? So which one's of these? Because it says less than, right? So which one? Yes. All right. Kelly says less than. All right. It rained at least 3 inches last week. Macy, what do you think about at least? Greater than or equal to. I love it. The green one, Riley, I need you up here, bud. I need to earn at least $100 this week. Charles, what do you feel about that one? At least. What's the sign? Greater than or equal to. Very good. A student needs a 60% to earn a passing grade. What do you think, Mr. Pyle? Greater than or equal to. Very good. Okay, I know we didn't graph those, but it's because I think you're going to be just fine on the graph.